Monday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race to you. These days are right. These days are right.
Good morning guys! Today is the first day of my online class and second year college na ako!
Hey guys, so it's already 9:13 a.m. and I have classes at 9:15, so I'm already running late. It's my first day.
We will just finish this presentation or orientation in the next 20 to 30 minutes before the reason that round out dito sa area namin. So I do not know when my battery would last. Again, kindly comment present so that I can check later or present.
For our first class, we basically did the first day of class drills, which are professors introducing themselves, discussing the classroom policy, how the grading system works,
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
and the overview of the semester.
Turn on your camera. St. Thomas Aquinas and St. Dominic, pray for us. Father of the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
So, that's basically my first class. Maaga kaming dinismiss kasi orientation lang naman. And second, may power interruption daw dun sa lugar ng prof ko and limited lang yung battery ng laptop niya. Kaya, maaga niya kaming dinismiss. So, I'm gonna make my breakfast now because I'm really hungry.
Look right from the Brookfield Zoo. Let's be two.
Okay guys, so it's currently 10:25 a.m. and 1 p.m. pa yung next class ko, which is napakaaga pa po. And ayoko nang matulog ulit para productive naman yung day ko, no? So, I'm just gonna enjoy my breakfast and watch my favorite TV series.
After eating my breakfast, I decided to organize my thoughts by updating my bullet journal while of course watching Friends.
I'm back and it's time for my second class, which starts at 1 p.m. and it's already 12:52 and we're gonna transfer sa Zoom daw.
So this is my second class and it's one of our major subjects. And so far this subject is one of my favorite that I really enjoy attending up until today. No 1 month na yung nakalipas. So there's that.
And once in a while, Prince Charming don't smile. In fact, he won't show up at all.
So that's about it for my second class. Basically, orientation pa din. My next subject is 2:30 p.m. which is now. Magkasunod lang din sila. So, we're down to our third
Nag-lunch na kayo?
subject. Di pa po.
Buti pa kayo nakapag-lunch na.
Mahina po yung network niya, sir.
Yeah, okay, sige. Nakikita niyo ba yung syllabus ko? Yung
Grouping.
Part of your nakita
So guys, for the third subject, wala namang masyadong interesting na ginagawa. Nagdi-discuss lang ng magiging topic namin for the following week. So, I will see you on my next class, which is my last class. Okay guys, so nagsisimula na pala yung last class ko. Ayan. So, mamaya ko na itutuloy yung haul ko. So guys, tapos na yung last class ko and 4:23 pa lang. 23 minutes lang kaming nag-synchronous sa kanya kasi nagpakilala lang siya, nag-introduction lang siya, and nag-explain lang siya just like any other orientation that we attended today. The rest of our time, kasi hanggang 7 PM kami, asynchronous, may pinapagawa siya sa blackboard and may need ipasa tonight.
For me, asynchronous classes are way more harder than synchronous. Kasi there's a huge possibility na mag-procrastinate lang ako lagi since flexible yung time. So here's some things that I picked up along the way to keep me focused since I have a very short attention span. First, I listen to some lo-fi music and promise it's effective to listen to when you're studying and you want to focus. And second, I use Forest app to keep me away from using my phone, and you will just set a timer on how many minutes you want to study while planting a tree on your forest. And at the end, you're gonna earn a tree and a coin, which you can use to pay for a real tree.
It's not about personality matrixels and charts. It's all about the bumps in your heart.
Guys, thank you all so much for watching, and as always, I will see you on my next video. Stay safe and well. Bye!